Hello everyone, welcome back to EW's Gaming Videos. So, this is going to be a real life video. So, we are harvesting soybeans in real life, me and my dad. I just wanted to show you what a soybean might look like in real life. So yes, they definitely look different than FS22. If you're wondering what that is the leftovers of corn stalk from last year in 2022. That's our combine. Right there. Um, I'm gonna go over there real quick, and then I will film the combine working. Okay, I'm over by wagons, but you can see a better angle of a combine. If you're wondering what that stuff is around the combine, that is dust from the soybeans. That is not smoke, so the combine is not on fire. We have all of this harvested, and then these are what we haul the soybeans back with. That one right in front of me had, that is actually full. And then that one we still have to fill. So, yeah, 4440s. And real life definitely look different than they do in FS22. Definitely. So, and then that's our 4650. So, yeah. We've gotten 2 fields harvested so far. Well, one completed. Harvested fully, whatever you want to call it. And this is what we have left over so far. And then and then after this, I'm gonna have to figure out what field we're gonna move to next. So, I'm walking right now, as you can tell. I'm stepping on the leftovers. So, if you're wondering what all of that stuff, what all this stuff is, this is what comes out of the back of a combine. So the soybeans go into the header, get cut off with little knives that go very fast. And then they get carried in by an auger, and then go through the combine, and then here, let me try to see if I can find a pad. I'm trying to see if I can find a pad for you guys so you guys can see. Oh, maybe. Nope. I'm not seeing a soybean. Well, I'll just have to break one open. Sorry. So, this is a soybean. It's kind of hard to see. That's a soybean. So, that little soybean, well, not that exact one, but there's a lot of soybeans like that one that I just had in, these pods, and they, get cut off down here by the knives, and then oh, there's a rock, and then the soybean that I just showed you, there's an auger that takes the beans. Yeah, there's an auger that takes the beans into the bin, kind of like Farm Sim, and then once the bin gets full on the combine, then we have to dump the combine, or well, the bin on the combine, and then the trash goes out of the back of a combine. I'm walking out to a combine. But yeah, the trash that's left over from the crop gets thrown out of the back. So yeah, all this dust right here comes out of the back of a combine. Well, not the dust, but the dust is from the soybeans, because the soybeans are dry, which is good. You want the soybeans dry. Okay, you cannot see that at all. But yeah, you want the beans dry. Like if they're if they like snap in half, but they're like really hard, that is a good thing. That means they are dry. If they are wet, then they will smush. Like you can squish them with your fingers. That is not good. That means they are wet, which is not good. You do not want the soybeans wet. Wet is bad. So that's basically what the I cannot see it off the camera. So yeah, that is what that is. Looks like he missed. So like when the knives come through, they will really just cut that off, and then they will cut like the bottom of that plant off, and then this would lean into the header, which would then, and then that plant or bean, whatever, would then get raw, and then that would get carried into the combine of auger, and then in the feeder house, which is what the header connects to on the combine. So yeah, so that is what playing FS 22. I've been playing FS 22 too much, and now I'm just saying that in real life. Anyways, but yeah, so this is what the ground looks like after the crop has been cut off, and well, it's been combined, I should say. And then this is what it looks like when it is not. So pretty cool. So I'm gonna walk back down here, and then I'm gonna wait for the combine operator to come down to finish their last pass, and then I will video that. So, alright, I'm back. I have a combine. Oops, sorry. Back with a combine. It's very loud. There's all the trash coming out. That's what I was talking about earlier in the video. I gotta run. Oops, sorry, I probably shouldn't actually run. So, anyways, I think that this will be the end of this video. Or actually, no. I will actually film the or videotape, I should say, the combine dumping into the wagon. So I will be back when they unload into the wagon. So I'm pretty sure that's where he's going now. Okay, just now videoing the combine dumping. So, I guess that this will be the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy this one, please make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe and comment, and subscribe. So yeah, alright, bye. Thank you all so much for watching this video, man. Bye.